In this video, we'll walk through the process of setting up your Untitled ID tag with Google Tag Manager. Before getting started, ensure that you have turned on the cookie consent bar on your website, updated your privacy policy to include Untitled, and created a tag within your Untitled account. Within your Tag Manager account, navigate to Tags and click New. Name the tag something like Untitled ID tag. In the tag configuration box, either select or search for Custom HTML. Within the HTML box, paste the code for your Untitled ID tag from your Untitled account. To get that tag code, you can navigate to your Untitled account, select Tags, click the three dots, and Copy Tag. Return to Google Tag Manager and paste the tag here. Click Save. A pop-up will prompt you to add a trigger to this tag. Click Add Trigger and select the All Pages trigger. Now your Untitled ID tag will fire anytime a page on your website is loaded. Next, click Save. Submit these changes to your Google Tag Manager container and add a descriptive name, like Added Untitled ID tag, and optionally add a description. Click Publish, and that's it. Now your Untitled tag is deployed on your website via Google Tag Manager. Next, we recommend changing the consent settings in Google Tag Manager so that your Untitled tag will only fire when your website visitors have consented to marketing cookies. To update the consent requirements for your Untitled tag to fire in Google Tag Manager, navigate to Tags, select your Untitled tag, and edit the tag configuration. Select Advanced Settings, and under Consent Settings, click Require Additional Consent for Tag to Fire. Add required consent, and select Add Storage from the list. Save your change, submit and publish your version. That's it. Now, your Untitled tag will only fire on your website if your visitors have consented to marketing cookies. It may take up to 1 hour before visitors show up in your visitor table in your Untitled account. Visitors will be added about every 15 minutes. Once your tag is active, you can connect your existing marketing tools and filter your visitors into audiences who you can use for marketing campaigns.